Good morning, all of you. So last session, we created we started creating a layout. We are in the middle of this layout. This is a layout. I think we are creating this as an something like this. This is a layout. Okay. If you want, you can provide more paddings also here. I'm not providing such a big padding here. Right. This is the thing we did with banner. We are done with banner section. And if you want, you can design this also with random data, whatever it may be. So you can add this. I added some static content. You can add some dynamic content also. We can add it. Okay, done. So I'm done with it. What is the next thing? You have to implement one more section. Go to this website. What section we can implement here? If we can go down little. So overview. What is this overview? Shall we implement this overview or shall we implement this section? Which one is easy? Anyone. I'm not going to implement whole the website. I think this is easy. You can try to implement this. And this is also the same thing. If I can do the above, I mean, if I do this, I think same thing is also going to be this is right. So this is also, see here, how this is going to be on image, hover, the text is slowly animating top. Can you see? Can anybody try this assignment? You have 6 blocks like this. There is an image on top, there is a text. So when I'm hovering, you see image background is becoming little transparent and text is more highlighting. If I can remove the mouse, this effect I need. So this effect like this, if you can go down, okay, these are videos, no problem, and go down again. Some information, okay. So they are all plain sections only, guys. They are not such a big sections here. What do you do here? So can I implement one section today? Let us implement one section today. What is the section I want to implement here? So this section I'm implementing. Can I implement this section? I'm not going to implement all the sections. The complex part is what header completed. So we are done with the header. And now we want to go for what is see some content is scrolling this side. What is the tag they use? It maybe in HTML you have a mark tag. Maybe sometimes they will use mark tag. Close this, and after closing this, you will see the normal content. Okay, but okay, don't worry. Right now, I want to implement this following section as the centers of excellence. Otherwise, you want to implement this is going to be a course. Will you implement this? So whatever you want, you can implement it. This is not full width. This is a fixed width layout only. Let's take the overview section. Okay. Now come here now. So I'm going to comment this and right here. Let us write one comment. HTML comment is going to be overview section. Let us implement the overview section. Start and end. Better to write comment also. Start and end. So I'm done with it. Let us take a section. Section ID equal to overview. And let us take a div inside. Like this also we can div dot. You see, if we can write div dot overview, what is going to be happen if we can hit enter? I'm not writing div tag open close. See, hit enter. So div tag open close with the class overview. Like this also we can shortcuts. In this editor, we can use the shortcut also, right? So in this H1 tag open close, we have to display something called overview. This is what exactly overview. Yeah, display this is going to be overview. After overview, we have 2 lines of description, right? Copy these 2 lines of description, take this into your para tag open close. So I'm taking these 2 lines of description. I'm done this, right? Not 2 lines actually. This is going to be multi-lines description. Done. So after this is, if you can see, tell me anybody how to implement this. Nothing. This is image. This is image. And this is what? Some address. This is upon the image. Huh? No, this is not upon the image. This is not upon the image. This is completely 2 blocks we have to take. One block with 75%. This is going to be 25%. Right? And in this, we are writing some strip. Both are attached together. There is no space to the image and something. Let me download this image. And now they are side by side now. If they are side by side, so can you see, guys, here what we should do? Right, if you can go down, we need one parent here. Okay, why this is coming like this? Why this overlay? I don't know why this overlay is coming to. No problem. Is there any div open, close properly everything? Div ID, div class, or you start. Okay, no problem. Div class is equal to overview content. Inside we need two divs. One div class is equal to image, overview image, overview image image, overview. What is the other thing and the address? Okay, let's write overview address block. ADDRESS address. So left side there is an image, right? You know that IMG SRC. Copy the same image, whatever the image you want. So you can paste this image into your project folder. So this is going to be hospital images, Aster Prime. So this is a JPG, Aster.jpg is the file. Oh, it's not JPG, Andy. JPG. Okay, fine. So, okay, let's add this images folder slash images folder slash aster.jpg. Done. So height width I'm not setting right now. Leave this height width. We will work on height width in a minute. So this is going to be let us take address. Can you see address opposite we have get directions also. How do I take two things side by side means definitely what you have to do, take this div and the class is equal to title direction. I'm taking like this. Inside we have H3. What is the thing? ADDRESS address. And this is going to be one more. So better to take this into H4. Right? This is going to be directions. And there is an arrow symbol. Okay, we will get that arrow symbol. Actually, we have a class. What is the class yesterday? We copied for arrow symbol. Na? FA, 1 minute. Upon the banner, we have this class. Yep. This is what the class we have now. Copy the same class. Because this class maybe you will use multiple times. Okay. Right. So come here now, and this is the place where we have to keep the icon class. Okay. Done. So after this is done, what are you having? And these two should be in one parent tag. Why? Because they are side by side now. They have to be in one parent. Come down. After that, so there is some address. This address is going to be simply take a para tag open close and keep the address. Keep the address like this. Okay, right. I'm done with the address. Next one is going to be view images. Maybe it is a gallery. Okay, so it's going to be one small button. This is a button, open button close, right? Something called view images. View images, and there is an arrow symbol also. No? Sorry, we have to get this arrow symbol also. This arrow symbol is also there. I think wherever they have button, they are using this arrow symbol. Right? This is the arrow symbol. Next, contact info. Right? Contact. They're all straight one by one, right? At the end, you see social media horizontal again. Social media again, horizontal. Come now, this is going to be contact info. Take this is going to be H3, right? Something called contact info. Contact info. And the contact info email, and this is going to be three things are there. Can you see guys here? So write this into one para tag open close, write the email colon something. So this is all going to be, let me add like this only. If required space, we will. I'm adding comma with like this. I'm adding. Okay, na? Right. Services excellent. Something is there, na? So let us add like this. Next one is going to be emergency number. Okay, na? Emergency number. Can you see ambulance, emergency label, and something is there. Icon and something. So then, how do I take this? So they have to be side by side. So take one div. So anything, if you are expecting side by side, take one div, write the icon. So this is going to be icon. Let's write this is going to be ambulance. AMBULANC class. Let's take a class is equal to AMB helpline, ambulance helpline. So here we have to get the icon, and after that we have to get the what is the information we have? Emergency. Oh, this is all in one place. Can you see? icon and emergency. Do one thing. So what is the best option to do this? They have to be side by side definitely. Otherwise, okay, we have to get the ambulance icon, right? First, let me get the ambulance icon, go to font over some free icons. Ambulance. If you can search for ambulance, maybe you will find the icon. So ANBU ambulance. Yeah, we have, okay, don't worry. Whatever the icon we are getting, that we can get. Not exactly the same icon. So this is ambulance. This is ambulance. After that, followed by, so we have some text here. What is the text we are having? Icon and so I mean, how to take the structure for it? I don't know what he is doing. He is using emergency and ambulance in the same div or parana or like this. Just I'm thinking this way, no problem. So take this into one para. It's not a big deal. Not para. It's better to take anchor tag. AHREF is equal to that mobile number. So whatever the mobile number I have here, copy the mobile number. This is the mobile number. But this is clickable. And we have to take a para tag open close, or else why should we take here? This is going to be span. No problem. Take this as a span open, span close. So in the span, write the label called emergency. This is the label. Emergency is not clickable, number is clickable. Can you see? Here, number is only clickable. Emergency is not clickable. Same like this, I have to take this for helpline also. No? Right. So same div, you can copy this word. Right. So this is going to be same div. I'm copying one more time. Same information, same design for this and for that. Same design for that and for this. That's why I'm taking this helpline. Otherwise, take the class simply helpline. No problem. Take this class is going to be helpline class. So this is emergency. This is going to be what? Helpline. So we have helpline. Label is helpline. Helpline mobile number. We are taking this is going to be helpline mobile number. We are going to keep here. And the icon. What is the icon for helpline? And go to font awesome. Find the icon for helpline. So this is going to be helpline. It's nothing but mobile. Mobile icon. So what is the best icon here? Okay, they are using mobile icon only. Okay, you can go for phone. Sorry, phone. You have to search for phone. So some icon you can use. What is the icon? Can I use this icon? Yeah, use any one of the icon. No problem. So this is the icon I'm using here, right? So remove this icon and add this icon, right? That. First, let me work up to here. Let me work up to here. Actually, at the bottom also, you see, there is two more parts are there. What are the two more parts? Under 4.8 ratings, and we have two things are there. How do I add this section? Any guesses? So this is all. And first you completed this. Oh, we have social media icons also. We didn't, right? Go for this. Again, you have to work on the social media. So okay, let's go there. Inside this, let us take a div tag open, div tag close. Let us take a class is equal to social, SOCIAL, social media, social media. In the social media, I want to add all these are what icons set. So these are all icons and anchor tags with icon AHREF. So because they have to be clickable, right? And I tag for what is I tag? First Facebook. Come here now. You will get the icon social media. Search for social. Maybe you will get all the social media icons here. SOCIAL social. Are you getting the social icons? Okay, we are getting some icons. Can you able to see the icons? But not Facebook icon. Yeah, there's copy the Facebook icon. Right, we have first icon. So, right, no problem. All same type of icons you can copy. Facebook. Right, I'm copying. Next one is going to be as per this Insta. Where is the Insta? We have Insta here? No. No. No problem. Whatever we have available, we will take them. Okay. So let us copy this Google Plus. No problem. So whatever you have available, let me take them only. So it is not exact replica. So whatever available with us, we will do that only. Right. Okay. Fine. Next one is going to be YouTube. Is there any way the YouTube icon? Actually, you can find it. You will get those icons. Thread. Okay, let us copy this thread icon. No problem. Threads. What is this thread? I don't know. Recently, I'm seeing this thread also. Do anybody know? It's look like Insta. Cheppandi. It's look like Insta. What? YouTube. Get this icon, YouTube icon. You search for this icon. So of course, if you are unable, you search for the icon. Maybe Instagram icon also you will find it here. Maybe if you can go and search for Insta. So Insta, yeah, Instagram icon is also there, no? Right. You will get all the icons, definitely. The social media, definitely free icons are available. Yeah, I'm done with this icon. So, okay. Now, if you can go and check your preview. So, can you see the preview? And sorry, this is our preview. And can you see after the banner? What is this? Oh my God, very big image. And see all the icons at the bottom. I'm able to see all the icons now. Ha, finally, is it looks good? Huh? No, up to the banner and this is okay for me, but this is not looks good at all. So then what shall I do, guys, in this context? We have to start design. So two parts. First of all, remember carefully. So this is going to be not full width. This is going to be fixed width only. We have overview section. In this overview section, what I should do? All of you see this carefully. Let me go to overview. This is what overview. Okay. In the overview, we have a subparent. That is what is called. This is a overview. Why this is outside? Overview and overview content. In this overview, H1, okay. H1 and parana, this is fine. And this is going to be overview content below. Okay, no problem. Now come here now. First of all, let us make this exactly center. Something went wrong and extra divs. Can you see this div open, div close? This div, why you are getting two divs here? This is extra div. I don't know. Something we did a mistake in the structure. In the structure, I did a mistake. This is what exactly div tag open, div tag close. Class overview. Here I'm getting one div extra. Why one div extra I'm getting? Div open, div close, div open, div close. Proper? Maybe one thing is extra, I don't know. So we need to identify this. The problem is this is a very big problem. Image should be left side and the address should be right side. And this is the div open, div close. But where this div is coming from, this is also pointing the same thing. I don't know. What is this? Address, title, direction. Is it fine? Okay. If anything is missing like this, and you are writing CSS, it won't apply it properly. Yesterday we written margin auto. Yes. Maybe. Right. What I'm doing, it is always look like center only. Sometimes you will get the problem. So that we have to be very careful. Once you written the structure, you need to check properly all these divs closed and open properly or not. Also, we have to check. Let us expand all these. Let me check properly whether I am done with these or not. I just want to verify. Sometimes some one div is extra. Oh, you see, guys, here this div is extra closing here actually. See, div open here, div should be closed here. So like this, you have to understand. Otherwise, 100% I'm telling you, you will get a lot of issues. You will get a lot of issues in the structure. So structure is very important. I'm telling you from starting hours. Now you see the overview fine, and this is perfectly closing. And you minimize like this. If you are getting any Excel right now, you see perfectly now. So right now, if you have any problem, yeah, you see this is title dir, and this is going to be para. All they are going to be one by one only, and this is going to be helpline. So properly we are getting closing, right? So social media, everything is perfect until one div extra earlier, right? One div got extra earlier. This is the way of taking the structure. So now you want to make it full width. Can you see this? Amazon, this website. This is fixed width content. Able to see na what content this is? Fixed width, not full width. Our banner is full width again. Can you see? Banner is full width section. But here the content is fixed width section. If it is a fixed width section, how do I do? So let's go there. I want to design this, okay? And simply this is going to be overview. I want to make this overview. Go to the style.css, write one comment, right? So see, almost all you written 170 lines of CSS code. Is it done in one day? No. Daily you will write 10 lines, 20 lines, 10 lines, like this you're writing every day. After 10, 15 days, it may be 1,000 lines of code. people are getting fear by seeing this number of lines of code. Oh my God, how to write this? How to, it's very simple thing. Only thing you should know the process. Okay, so like this, we can write n number of lines of code. Overview. This is not class. This is going to be id. Let us make full fixed width. So width is going to be, I'm using 85% width everywhere. Margin 0 auto. Margin 0. Now can you see this is going to be, now you see right side, left side, we have some gap now. Because image is very big, we have to make the image and this content side by side. Okay, image and this content side by side. Who is the father of that image? And this is ante, can you see image content and everything is going to be overview content ante. This is a overview content. In the overview content, we have the overview image and display flex. Let us come there and come here now. Dot, oh, you have to write one comment also, guys, here. Overview styles. Okay, better write comment. Overview section styles. It's always a good practice to write the comments. So close the comment like this. Whatever you want, you can do like this. Overview styles. Add a comment like this. So now you can come here, add this overview content, display flex. Now are they are side by side? Can you see? So image, you see all these information are coming side by side, but it's not looks good. Can you able to see the content? See in the completely left side corner, if you can see, there is a congested there, and you see scroll bar is also coming. Scroll bar is also getting come, right? See address on. This is not we are expecting. So what I should do, right? Flex wrap wrap. Flex always when you're getting the scroll bar, immediately write the flex wrap this. Now it will be count down only. Now you have to set the width for this, both the tables and the. So we have in this overview image, overview address. Let us display the flex width for the both views. So this is going to be dot overview image comma dot overview address address address. Now if you can go and check this now. So oh, this width is different, this width is different, and not the same width. Let us set the flex width 75% for this flex 75%, and for this flex right, this is going to be flex 25%. 25%. Right now, if you can go and check this now, is it fine? No, still because image width 1 minute. Let me fit this image 100%. Maybe you see, image is okay, and right side we are getting the information is also. But I don't need this much bigger image, right? As per this, do you have such a big image? No, this is not such a big image. This is not such a big image, right? So did they set any height width to it? Let me check this. So what is the thing they set here? For this image, they set what is the width and height? 1500 and 1050, 1050. Is the width they set here. Some width and height they set here for the image. No problem. If you want, you can set the height width also. Already we set 100% width for the image. It will adjust based on the parent container. No. I don't want this way. I want to make this fixed height and fixed width for the image also we can do. So width is going to be, you write this is going to be 800 pixels width. Let's write some height is equal to 800 pixels height. Okay. Maybe if you can refresh it, will it work as per our requirement? Yeah, this is coming like this. But left side you have a lot of gap, right? But that's why you take width 100%. I can take width 100%, then what's going to be happen? It's not correct actually. Okay, no problem. Leave this. Okay, no? So this is getting adjusted based on the content. No problem. Let us use some paddings and everything. So this overview and everything is not proper alignment. And this is going to be how, let us have some color. What is the color we are having? Blue color, some blue color. This is blue color. Okay. So this address background color is going to be what? This is this blue color. So maybe if you can see the layout, this is the background color got applied like this. All the content inside this is going to be white color. All this is going to be white. They set fixed width. Remember, for image, they set some fixed width 1050, 105. I'm not setting fixed width. I'm adjusting the width as per the parent 75% na. adjusting so otherwise you don't want make this is going to be 75%, no? You write 65%. If it is 65%, obviously this is going to be right. This is going to be around 35. I'm writing 35%. Okay, whatever it is, I'm fine with it. I'm okay with this. I'm not having any problem. Okay, now right. See this content, but they're all attached together. There is no space. Can you see overview? What is the size here in the overview? This is very clear overview. See size and there is a neat line height and everything is there, right? So let me do one thing. The entire overview content. So we have a class overview. Overview. Inside this, let us use line height. I'm writing 30 px line height. Let me go and check this now. So this is your thing. 30 line height. Paragraph tag is okay, but this font size is not such a big thing, right? Even if we are using H1 tag, but I didn't like this. So you can come here, dot overview, H1 tag, write the font size, FONTSHD font size. I'm writing 44 pixels. Is it okay? 44 pixels font size. But it looks bold. But why this is going to be in a different style? They are applying some font styles. Font, so not font, actually Google fonts. We can apply Google fonts also to our site. At the end, we will apply. Right now, it is not required. Bring the shape. So at the end, I will show you how to apply the font also. So, and there is some gap, you see, but there is no gap to this. So then what I want to do, you have already parent overview. To this, you can write padding. If you want, right, you can write padding. Padding 40 pixels, top bottom, left, right. I don't want any padding. Maybe if you can check this now, you see there is a decent gap on top. At the bottom of this H1 tag, we want to provide some gap. So then what you will do, margin bottom, you write margin hyphen bottom is going to be 40 pixels. What is margin bottom? Is it fine? If you see, you can calculate it. Is it okay now? I will proceed. So at the end of this also, I want to write this completely. Here also margin bottom. Margin bottom again, same 40 pixels to the overview. Overview means here you will get the gap. Earlier, this paragraph tag and image are attached together, right? So I'm providing a gap to this like this. So if you want, you can check like this. So this is somewhat the shape is coming slowly. So now the next part. So image is okay. So this partition, I want to work this section. So right, this section, can you see this section here? Neatly some gap is there. Can you see all four sides? You see some gap. So what I will do for all four sides, this is overview address now. Let us write some padding. Padding I'm writing 30 pixels all four sides and all four sides 30 pixels padding. Now we go there. See earlier this is all attached. Still you want to add 40 pixels, you can write 40 pixels also. Can you see all four sides 40 pixels I'm writing? Can you see exactly how the content is adjusting properly? Right, adjusting properly. This should be all in white color. Right? Can I write color white? I don't know what is going to be happening if I write color white directly here. Color white. Some elements may not apply color. Some elements will get the, oh, everything is applied except anchor tags. All the color applied white. If I can apply to parent, all the children get color white. So, but this is okay. We are displaying, but is it looks good and no, this is all, this is not at all looks good. So how this content is looks very beautifully here. Same way I want to do there, guys. Okay, this is the same thing I want. Address, font size, and get direction. So this is a link actually. Okay, no problem. Come there. Now we will work in one by one. Okay, open this overview address. This overview address, we have this first. Let us work on this. Okay, these two are side by side. What is the side by side? Address, directions. Both are should be side by side. Come to the CSS. Right, this is going to be direction. If you want to bring them side by side, display flexer. Can you see? Are they flex side by side? Come to your design. They are side by side. They are side by side. But address should be left side. Get direction should be completely right side. What's the property? Tell me. Display flexer. Justify content. Space between is the property. Because of the space between, you see directions move completely that side, and this is going to be. But I need to add some font size also. See, font size is not looks good. So this is title AR H3, title AR of something. So what I want to do, go to the CSS file, This is going to be dot title, title dir of h4, h3 now, right? Font size and what's the font size we can provide? Can I provide 32 pixels? 32 pixels. Is it fine? 32 pixels is fine. As well as H4 also, H4 font size, let us provide this is going to be 28 pixels, little small, 28 pixels. And can you see this is 28 pixels, little of thank you. So this is what exactly we are having. But are they aligned properly? No, you see, address is okay, little thing is there. Let us write align item center here also. Align items center. If you can write center, exactly they will look like center. Yes, exactly they are right center. And at the bottom, we need some gap. They're all attached together. So what I will do, margin bottom. That is right, margin bottom. I'm writing this is going to be 20 pixels margin bottom. Now, if you can go and check this now, your design, yeah, 20 pixels gap. And this is font is going to be, okay, let us write one property. Font weight normal. Will it work? Font weight normal. I don't want bold. Let us use normal. Will it work normal? Yeah, it is a normal font. I don't want that boldness. So here also, I want the same thing. Font weight is going to be normal. Font weight normal. Font weight normal. It will be like this. See, earlier it is bold because of font weight. Here also you can write font weight normal. For this overview also, where is that overview H1? This is if you can write font weight normal. Maybe this H1 is also normal. If you want to increase the size, you can increase the size. If you want to increase the size, you can increase it. So this is what exactly overview. So you can increase the size. Maybe here size is not enough. So this is not 44. Let us make this is going to be 54 pixels I'm taking. So now the size is going to be 54. Like this we will do. See, always, what are you expecting? What are you expecting? I need this. I need that. So first see the preview. When you are comparing to other one, their size is bigger, our size is smaller. Their things are not in bold, our things are in bold. I don't want to bold. What is the property for it? So you have to think like this. You have to write the code. So next one is going to be address. So address is in paragraph tag, I believe, right? So if we can go to the HTML file. So HTML file, if we can come down, this is a paragraph tag. This is a paragraph tag. Title dir margin bottom also ready. So title dir margin bottom. Yeah, completed. Now the next one is going to be paragraph tag. So take one class is going to be called address. Class is equal to address already we used it somewhere. Yes, sir? I don't know. But you can home address. Okay, whatever the class it may be. Taking the home address class, come there and add one more CSS. Can you see slowly we are writing the number of lines of CSS code now? Right. So that is going to be home address. And here you can write line height is going to be line height. Sorry, line height. What is the line height? I can take it here around the 30 pixels. Okay, 30 pixels line height I'm taking for the paragraph tag for this something. So let us write margin bottom for this. Margin hyphen bottom. Margin bottom I'm writing 30 pixels margin bottom. So maybe you will get some good gap. So they are not attached together. We are getting some gap. Even if you want to increase the font size also, you can increase the font hyphen size also. What is the font size I'm writing? 18 pixels font size I'm taking. Is it fine? Yeah, I'm okay with this 18 pixels. Can you see? What is it? Yeah, 18 pixels. Next, this is a big button. This is not a small button. This is a very big button as we see. See how big the button is going to be. View images is a button. All right. Let us add one class for it. What is the class I want to take? Class is equal to view images. Images, okay? This is going to be view images. And this is what exactly we can get. View images. So first let us write some margin top bottom. Top bottom 20 pixels. Left right 0 pixels. Can you see the design? Sorry, you can come here now. This is the button. Top bottom we are having good gap. So button should need some padding. Padding is going to be top bottom 20 pixels, left right 40 pixels I'm taking. Is it padding is fine? Same, the bigger shape I want to bring it. So font size 18 pixels you can take it. Actually, we don't want to work on font size actually because my screen is very big. That's why I'm writing the font size every time. So this is what. On hover, what is the background color? There should be some background color now. So view images, don't worry. So take this is going to be, sorry, view images on hover. I want to do background color. What is the background color? This is the back, right? This is the background color. When you're hovering, background color will be. So you can write border none also. Border none. P-O-R-D-E-R. This is a button, right? Border none. Sorry. Let the property border none like this. So this is the button. And the color. When you're hovering, what is the color? See, right now, oh, white color. This is on hover, color white. Both the context are okay. On hover, what is the color of it and right? The color is going to be hash white color. You write it. Now, if you can go and check this now. So this is going to be white color. You can add border radius also if you want. So border hyphen radius is going to be 6 pixels border radius. So it is going to be somewhat curved border. It will be like this. So next one is what? Contact info. This is what contact info. All this contact info was appearing here, right? There is nothing. So this is in paragraph tag. Contact info. So take a class is equal to contact info is a class. Contact info is a class, and this is the contact info. Contact or contact info. Can you write like this? This is just a contact. This is going to be class is equal to contact info. Okay, let us take a class like this. Contact info is a class. Inside the paragraph, right? We have the following information. Okay, now? Right. So let's go and implement the same thing. Contact info. So come here now. .contact. Anything wrong? So let us write some margin. Top bottom margin. Top 10 pixels. Left right 0 pixels. I don't want anything on left right, only top bottom. So now if you can go there and you will see this is the contact info. Size of increase you want, you can increase the font size also. Font hyphen size is going to be 30 pixels. That 30 pixels. Hey, if something went wrong, what is the problem? Why this is going down? I don't know. What is the problem? Because of the contact info, what is the problem? Contact info. Do you have any contact info already? Is there anywhere already you provided? I don't find this. Only one occurrence only now. Properly open, properly close with the paragraph tag. So if I write contact info, goes on contact. Now you write contact info, contact hyphen info. Let us write some line height here. Line height equal to 30 pixels line height I'm taking. So this is proper, right? Proper. Margin bottom for this also. Margin bottom, I am writing 10 pixels or 20 pixels. And okay, only 20 pixels. So decent gap we are able to see. Increase the font size if you want. But if I write font size, why this is not working? Font size 30 pixels I'm taking, right? So okay, working, right? Font weight normal. Font weight, normal weight I want to take. Let's write normal. Now if you can go and check this now, this is a normal font. Is it applied normal font? I don't know whether this is up. I think I have refreshed this page. Is it refreshed? Yes. Okay, this is what? Increase this font size also. Okay, I'm done with it. The next one is going to be these two. How these two are appearing? So they are look like a background strip white color. Okay. So helpline, helpline dot helpline. Helpline is the div. So background color is what? White color. White color. Background is whiter. Go and check this now. Background color is white. But text align center. white. Where is the text? Emergency something. Oh, this is also white color. Why color is white? Background color only is set white. Maybe earlier you said paragraph tag color white. That white color is applying here. Don't worry. You write some padding to this. Padding. I am writing the padding. What is the padding? 10 pixels or 15 pixels top bottom. Left right I am writing 5 pixels left right. So maybe this is what. Let us provide some margin also. Margin top bottom 5 pixels. Left right 0 pixels. Can you see what is happening? So some gap between that and this. Earlier there is no gap. Here we have decent gap between that, but it is going to be more gap. Not this is going to be. I'm taking 15 pixels top bottom gap. Now can you see this gap? How the gap is? More gap is maintained. But inside this we have a text color. It should be what is this text color? Icon color and red color. Red color. Somewhat tomato or whatever it is going to be. How can I add the color to that only? So we have I tag helpline 1, and for this we have one color, and for this we have one color. So helpline, you write 1, you write 2. I'm writing 2 different classes. Can you see? We can write like this also. Don't worry. H1, HELP. Or otherwise you write the meaningfully. Help 2. This is going to be help 1. Help 1 div, help 2 div. Like this also we can write. For this, I want to take the color. What is the color? Come here now. Dot help 1. Inside the help 1, we have I tag, comma, help 1. We have one more. What is the one more, Andy? Spanner? Span. SPA span. What is the color for this both? And color is going to be some kind of hash A4 000000. Is it fine the color? Is the same color we are able to see there? Okay, somewhat if you want to reduce, you can reduce the color, no problem. I'm taking, okay, I don't know what is the color exactly they use, but I'm using the following color. Now you see color is okay now. But font size also we have to increase and oh, is it okay? Okay. Space evenly we can write. Okay. Let's, but there is no such a gap, right? So all these are okay. I think what they are doing, they are not making this. They are writing just like this. Okay. There is a property, right? The property gap. I'm writing 10 pixels gap. If you can use the property gap 10 pixels, is it fine? Yeah, let us leave the same. I'm okay. So if you want, you can increase this 20 pixels also, you can increase it, no problem. Gap is going to be, this is decent. So here also, now it's going to be, right, the same thing if you can come here. Help to na. In help to, you observed or not, everything is in a different color. So what is the color we are having in help to? Color, this color in a help to. So help to color is, this is complete. And finally, we have social media icons. What is the social media icons? If we can go there, and these are the social media icons. So all the color is white color because they are inside the anchor tag. They have to be side by side also, right? So go there, and there is some gap also. We have a class called .social. Social. This is the class I taken, right? Can you check the class one more time? Social media. Yes, social media. In the social media, you write display flex. Sorry, go to the file, CSS, and write the property called display flex. Social media display flex. Now they are side by side. Go to the browser. They're all side by side. Now, by default, they're side by side.
Not probably mistake.
So by default, they're side by side. Sorry, display. SOCAL. Social. Sorry, SOCI. social media display flex. Write the gap property. Gap. I'm writing 20 pixels gap there. Right. You check this now. Yeah, we are getting gap, but the color is not thing expected. So social media anchor tag color should be white. Should be white color. Can you see the white color? Perfect. Let us increase the font size. Icons will have size also. Let us write this is going to be 30 pixels font size. So icons are very big in size. And if you want to provide some gap on top and bottom margin, I'm taking this is going to be margin margin top 20 pixels, left right 0 pixels, and I won't write like this. Now this is going to be gap will be added. So still margin top only. I don't want any bottom. Is it fine to add margin top? 1 minute, please. So whatever you want, you decide. Margin top 40 pixels I want to add. So something. So you can go and check this now. Yeah, we have decent gap like this. If you can apply the font sizes and font families, and the design will look like the same. Their design is okay. We are almost achieving the same thing. They are going with the some see if our width, what is our width? 85% I taken. 85% I taken. 1 minute, please. What is the width here? I have 85%. Maybe I think little down. 85. If you can make this width is going to be 75%, can you see? Content is getting adjusting now. 75% is adjusting. If you can, this is going to be 65% only. Slowly, this will be adjusted. So their width is not, I believe. So my screen is based on my screen resolution. I'm taking the width is going to be 85% width I'm taking. If you want, you can reduce the width also. No. So this is how the content was there and how we are having the content here. You can decide what it is going to be exactly. So still you want to design this at the bottom part also, you can design the bottom parts also. Got it up? Now, shall we take the bottom part now? So the bottom part, under this we have two parts here, right? So what is this is going to be rating, and we have this following information. How do I implement? There is a line also. Can you see? Able to see the line? I'm able to see the line, maybe, yeah. So obviously this is two divs, 100%. This type of examples we already see. Right? I told you in one assignment also. This is what? Can you tell me the structure for this? I won't take all these into one div. So go to the structure here. You can take all these into one div. Wait for a second. So this is going to be overview completed and all right. Overview, top overview content. Now you are going to take one more div. This div is going to be maybe take a class overview. What we can take this section name. Overview stats. Let us take a section like this. Overview stats, rating, whatever it is. This is come under stats. Here inside this we have two divs and div. One div is for 4.8, one div is for 90%. So let us take two divs. So this is going to be class is equal to overview rating, 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 overview rating, and one more is going to be overview score. Okay. Overview score. Take this same thing is going to be called overview SCORE score. Actually, that and this is going to be same design for this and same design for this also. This will like some 50% width there. Okay, right. So in this overview, tell me please. This is overview. This is one div. This is one div. Inside this, we have an image. This is image. Right click. This is not image and div. This is an icon. This is an icon with bigger size. So, okay, what I should do guys here? Take this into one div, no problem. Div class is equal to star icon is a div, and other one is going to be description, right? Overview, what is the thing we can take? Overview info already we taken, right? Overview -info, we taken already this class, huh? Not a. Did you take this class already? Yes, sir. I don't know. Go to the CSS. But be careful. If you take the same class again, you will have. I didn't take this class. Let us take the overview info. Okay, right. This is going to be overview info. When you are taking any class, you have to be very careful. This is going to be overview info. In this overview info, we will get some information. In this, we are going to get some icon only. Icon. I type open. Class is equal to FA star STAR star. I don't know. Just I'm adding the class. So here, tell me please, what it is? Very big heading, 4.8. Go to this H1 tag open close. Just write 4.8. So what is the next one we are having here? So some H3 or H4, whatever it is going to be. Google ratings, sir. Yes, right. This is going to be Google ratings. RATINGS ratings. So next one is going to be take this into a paragraph tag open close and copy the same thing. Right. So copy the same thing and paste here. Same information is available here also, na? Same inside this. We have two parts again. The two parts is going to be, this is going to be 90%, 90% and NPS scores. And this is going to be our NPS. So this is what exactly I'm going to show. Done? Yep. So two divs. Now it's the thing. Overview stats contain two divisions, but these have to become side by side. Come there and take this overview stats and go to this CSS file. So like this, we are writing the CSS code. Can you see today we will reach 300 lines of code? I don't know. Okay, overview, display flex, write the flex. Let us check this. Are they side by side? So go to their website. So they are side by side. So they are side by side neatly. But icon should be left side, 4.8 and everything should be right side in this thing. Okay. And now if we can come to this overview stats, fine. Top bottom, because that is attached together. I don't want this attachment. Some gap should be there. Okay, fine. We have two divs, overview rating and overview score. Overview rating, comma, overview scorer, SCORES. Scorer, scores, score only. Fine, thank you. So now if we can go there, display flex. Why display flex here? Star icon and the other information should be side by side. Can you see the star icon and everything is side by side now? Side by side. This is the star icon. But this star icon, overview rating. What is the class we taken for this? 1 minute, please. Go to this star icon. This is what I taken. Star icon I tag. Font size. You can add the font size, guys, here for this. Font icon size, can you see? I'm writing 100 pixels font size. Can you see the icon is very big now? Star icon color is gold. Of course. Actually, I don't know that is image or anything they taken, but you write the gold color. Color is going to be, what is the color we can take? Shall I take this color? Okay, I'm taking this following color. You can take different color here if you want. Okay, right. So here you write some gap also. The property is going to be gap is going to be 20 pixels gap I am writing. Maybe you will see some gap between that icon and this information. This icon is in a very big in size. You take different icon here. I'm taking the same icon for both the things. If you want to have image also, you can take image in place of it, no problem. So now this is going to be, so overview info H1. Overview info H1. So overview info H1. So font icon size. What is the font size? Can I take this is going to be 54 pixels? Yep, 54 pixels font size. Wait, font weight normal also. Font weight normal. I take this normal. Can you see this? Yeah, 4.8 and normal. So margin bottom, if you want to write anything, margin hyphen bottom, I'm writing 20 pixels margin bottom here. Now this is more gap, not this much. 10 is enough, I believe. So you see, this is going to be. And here we have another one is going to be Google ratings and everything. Now, you write one more thing otherwise. Line height, you write it. Why should I write it, everyone? Simply write the property line height, LINEHIGHT. Line height is a property. There's a 30 pixels line height for the paragraph tag. Line height is applied. Google ratings. What is the color for this? H3, no? H3, right? I think I taken H3 color. This is what H3. Exactly, this is the thing I taken. If you want, you can change this, guys. But here it looks very nice, I will. Right? Because they are using different symbols. And moreover, icon is not exactly center. Icon is in top only. So, but here our icon is on top or center. 1 minute, let us check this. Okay. I think you can reduce the icon size little. What is the icon size we given? 100 pixels, sir. Make this is going to be 70 pixels icon size. I'm not going to take such a big icon, 70 pixels. Is it fine? Okay, little, whatever it is. Take different icon, maybe you will get the same kind of design. Ultimately, how we can create a website means this is a way of doing the website replica. Same color combinations we are doing like this. So landed next session, I will implement this section. So otherwise, you take this as a reference. I uploading the code every day in the drive. You download the same code, images and everything you can download. I'm uploading everything there into the drive. You can download and you can work on the same thing. Okay, right. So this is how we are going to create the websites, guys. You take any website, whatever you want, you can take it. Okay. In the next session, I want to implement the inner pages only. Right. So if I have time, I will implement this section. Otherwise, you can try to implement this section. So next session, what I will do, let me click about us page, contact us page, some linking, internal page linking. How do I do the internal page linking? For example, if I click one home page, about page, contact page like this, contact us page. On click this, let us implement the contact us page. We have careers page. On click this, implement the careers page. So I will show you 2-3 pages. But remember, creating website is not done in a single day. It will take a lot of time. Designing is the work. I already told you in the starting of the session, it's a donkey work. I told you, do you remember the word? Why? Because see, 3 days onwards, every 1 hour I am doing. But if without explanation, if you can ask me to do ante, maybe to do the home page, I will take 1 day. Within 1 day, without any explanation, I will do my work within 1 day. Because I have some experience. But if I given the same thing to you, maybe it will take 1 week. Okay, no problem. Initially, it will take like this only. 1 week or 10 days also will take. But ultimately, we complete our art. By doing this type of designs, 4 to 5 designs, if you can done, you will get a very good command on the designing also. You will get a very good command on the design. You will get the thoughts immediately. Whatever that is, maybe you will get the thoughts immediately. So this is what you should learn, guys, here. Okay, now, right. You will do this and assignment. Complete assignments also. And I told you, create your own website also. Not the same website what I am doing here. You do your own website. So why can't we create a websites like this, replica? Try the same thing. Right. I'm stopping the session, online and offline. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you have any questions, please let me know, online and offline. You guys needs to do the design.
Sir, commented ఎందుకు చేయాలి సార్?
Commented అనేది that is for user understandable purpose. Today, you are writing 100 lines of code. If you can write 100 lines of code, that is very easy to understand. Where is the header, where is footer, where is body, where is services like this. Maybe tomorrow it's going to be 3000 lines of code in CSS. I want to find where is a header code, where is body code, where is footer code. In the same way, in HTML also, you are going to write many number of lines of code. So these comments will help you. For example, I want to hide this comment. I want to remove the comment. Comment to comment, we can remove easily. If there is no comment, sometimes while removing, you will do an extra div. Because of removing one extra div, total template will be collapsed. So comments will help you neatly, not only for you. Today you are developing the application. Oh, you written 5,000 lines of code or 4,000 lines of code in the design. After that, you resign the company, you are getting another job. And some other person will come to write the same, work on the same code. Na? At that time, by seeing your code, the other person will feel very happy. And one more thing, remember, not only happy. Sometimes you have to upload this code to GitHub repositories. The GitHub repositories doesn't allow you if you have comments on it. So you have to maintain your code properly, commenting and everything. We have to organize it. Even if you want to sell this, for example, we created a template. After creating the template, sir, I want to sell this template to customers. If you want to sell these templates to customer, we have a marketplace. The marketplace is going to be what? Theme forest. There is a one concept called theme forest, where we can sell all the themes. For example, if you can develop the themes, if you can develop your themes, you can come to this website. You can sell your theme here. Lot of people are selling themes and earning the money, and we can earn the money. See, can you see this website and themes? You see marketing template, CSV template, e-commerce template. Click on the e-commerce template. Can you see each and every template cost? You see $63 Sunday. And this is going to be $63. How many people purchased today? As of now, 35 people purchased this thing. As of now, 35 people. Can you see this right side? $90, 883 people purchased. See how big it is going to be. Like this, you can create your own templates and we can upload this template to like this. Yes, we can do this. And this is the, if you want to upload these templates inside of it, definitely comments are important. If there is no comments, they won't allow your template. They will ask to write the comments. What is this section? What is this section? You have to explain each and every section. So we can sell our templates. Do you know? So what I'm telling you, you are creating HTML template na. Responsive templates like this, if you can create and you can sell them also. It's a marketplace. Lot of people work like this only. They will sell, they will create the templates, beautiful templates they will create, they will upload this into market. If you can go to the theme forest where we can create an account and we can upload our own designs and we can fix the price also. If they like, they will buy. So lot of people, not only you, lot of people are selling. In Amirpet, I want to have a chai. I want to have a tea. Some person is selling for 5 rupees. Some person for 10 rupees. Some person for 15 rupees. It's all about chai only. Whose chai is good? It's like this. Lot of people are selling themes here. You are selling theme for $5. You are selling the theme for $10. I'm selling the theme for $20. Whose theme is looks good? Maybe it is a $20, but theme is very nice. They will buy the theme for $20. See, here we have 3 themes on the top. You see, one is $63, one is $63, other one is $90. More $90 is more, na? But how many people bought this thing? You see, 883 people bought this thing. 883 people bought this thing, and only 17 sales only, only 35 sales only. Why this is 883? And there is one reason also. Maybe this theme is from many years, many days, and maybe these 2 themes are from recently uploaded. Maybe that is also one reason. Okay, so this is all about the thing. Whatever you are learning, after learning Bootstrap also, by learning HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap, we can create very good layouts, very good templates, very good responsive templates. After creating them, we can upload to this kind of marketplace, and people likes, they will buy your theme in dollars. After this theme forest guy will send the amount to your account. $1, you succeeded. I'm not expecting anything. Let me create a theme. Let me upload the theme to marketplace. If anybody buy, I will sell my theme for $1. No problem. 80 rupees I will got for one sale. No, at least 100 rupees you want, 200 rupees, right? $2, $3 like this. We at least minimum $10. Here, if you can see, $10 themes also available inside. $10 to $5 to free themes also available. Okay, right. Check it carefully. What exactly this is going to be. So why I'm telling you, if you are very good in designing, so then definitely you can do this type of things only. That's why I'm telling you guys exactly. Okay, right. 1 minute. Try to create proper layouts always. It's going to be very good, helpful to you if you can do. That's why I'm telling you. If you just know HTML and CSS and Bootstrap also, we can survive. You know, you don't have a job, maybe we can create our own templates. We can upload this to repository. Like this, I will upload 100 templates. 100 themes I uploaded. Everything is $1. Everything is $1. 100 themes, 100. Everything is 100, 100, 100. I mean, $1. At least 10 people bought in a day. $10 you are going to get. 10 themes they bought. Everything is $1. If your theme is very nice, no one is provided such a kind of theme. Yes, we can. Today is all about what e-commerce funding, e-commerce themes, so food business themes, so food related ordering, all about e-commerce themes. And you see, so this is an maybe why this is a $90. This may be an e-commerce theme. Definitely, this is also an e-commerce theme. But shopping, you see, click on it. You can see the preview. And if you can click the live preview, they will check the preview like this. And So your team also, they will check the thing. While buying, I will check all these things. You see, he is providing lot of themes and can you see how many things he is providing? So many sample designs he is providing. This is one sample design. Like this, the website will be look like this. If you like it, we will buy it. I want to go for shop. Shop themes are going to be, these are the shop themes. Can you see shop theme? And click on this one shop theme, and there they will show you, see how it is look like. It's look like a website. And not only furniture. Some customers will come, I need a furniture mart. Okay, he created a template for furniture mart only. So this thing may be in HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. We can create like this, and we can sell the themes also. But you have to create your own designs and own images. It's not, don't copy somebody's images. They will go legally here. So even if they copy your images also, that is also legality. So you have this image is sofa image. Now you create your own sofa image. Don't copy somebody's image. So in this context, you have to follow the rules and regulations. So while creating any layout, you cannot copy somebody's. Even if you can copy, do you have a license? They will accept. If you don't have a license, they won't accept. Hey, it's not free. Free means everybody what they will do. I will download one template. Let me upload this to theme forest. Can I sell the theme? Right? That's not correct actually. Right? They will go legally. Somebody downloaded my theme and they're uploading it. They will go legally. There is some process will be there. How this is paid or free. There is some identification. They're just uploading the theme. They won't do anything here. They will do some process. They will do some check process. Once you upload it, they won't check. They won't approve this immediately. There is some process. So based on the process, they will is this valid or not? Is this theme is already created or not by somebody? They will check everything. If this is our own, yeah, they will upload immediately. So like this, there is some process. So without job, remember in US and UK, a lot of people are working on these things and things. They won't have any job. They will have their own organization, LLP, individual, right? They will create one organization with their on the name LLP, not private limited, LLP. They will work on the themes. They will upload the themes every day. Recently, I bought one theme in this photo theme, PORTO. Photo theme, WordPress theme. I bought it. Actually, this is WordPress theme. Can you see this WordPress theme? This theme I bought. How many people are as of now? Can you see 92,000 K sales? Every sale is what? $60. 92,000 into $60. Where he is now? How much amount he had and see, that's what I'm telling you. We should learn slowly all these things. Not in one day, but definitely we can. So there are a lot of ways of earning money. Many of the people are doing YouTube reels, Instagram reels. They are doing. They are earning the money like that because their duty is what creating reels and earning money. But what we are doing, we are not doing anything. We are enjoying their reels. Yes, sir. By watching their reels, we are enjoying. Okay. No, I'm not criticizing. Just I'm telling you guys. I think you should put some goal. And why can't we do a templates like this? Right? We can create templates and we can upload the templates here. If you don't have a job, do this job. If you have a job, work on the job, no problem. And we have other alternative also. I want to tell you. But it is going to be always use Bootstrap also. You will get very good finishing in the Bootstrap also if you can create. Right? Bootstrap, HTML, CSS layouts. Right now we are learning HTML, CSS only. But we have to do a lot of hard work in HTML, CSS templates. But it's not done right now. If you want to create a templates like this, you should know HTML, CSS, so JavaScript, jQuery, all. You should be professional in the front end. With the JavaScript and jQuery also, you should be professional with the front end. So then only we can create this type of job. With just HTML, CSS, we cannot create this job. Just I'm telling you. So there is an option like this also. If you can get any template, we can upload the templates here. But while uploading templates, they will follow all these coding standards, whether you write these codes or not, and whether you did these comments or not properly, all they will check and they won't approve your theme by just uploading. Whether the proper structure you followed or not, also they will verify. That's why I'm telling you, starting out structure, everywhere structure. So it's a very important thing. Right. So any questions other than this? Okay, fine. So you have a plan to create our own website or not? We have a plan, create our own website. If you are not creating, I will complete CSS by tomorrow. I will start JavaScript immediately. What do you say? I think if you are not practicing, so what I can do? Can I go like this? No, you don't accept me. You have to teach everything, sir. But you didn't practice, right? Okay. I will teach you, but you try to practice everything. Okay, let me upload all these files to Drive, and please try to download these files also from the Drive. I will upload everything from the to the Drive, and please try to work on the same thing, guys. Okay, right. So I'm closing the meeting. If you have any questions, still let me know. Let me stop the recording. Meanwhile.